y'all, it's TxStampin Sharon. Today I'm going to be showing you a card tutorial using a Christmas stamp set that you can use year-round. I hope that you will stay with me till the end because I want to share with you actual Christmas cards with this bundle and how you can get free card tutorials when you make a purchase from my store. I hope that you enjoyed today's tutorial, and I always love the thumbs up and always your comments. Let me show you what I mean. Recently, I shared a video using the new Christmas rose that is only available during the month of November of 2019, and that's while supplies last. I wanted to get this video made out really quick because I wanted to let you see past the Christmas cards that I shared on that previous video. Okay, so fun, so pretty, different techniques, different ways that I did them. So I keep looking at the rose and the framelits, and I'm like, let's make some non-Christmas cards. How's that? Granny apple green. I don't think that's too Christmassy. We're going to do what's called a triple layer card, triple stamping. And I'll tell you my measurements. My whisper white is 2 inches by 3 inches. My granny apple green is 2 1/4 by 3 1/4. This layer of whisper white is 3 inches by 4 1/4. This layer of granny apple green is 3 1/4 by 4 1/2. Then I have my whisper white that is 4 inches by 5 1/4, and my card base, which is 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored and folded at 4 1/4. We are going to place all of our layers of whisper white together, and I'm actually going to use a little glue dot to help keep my layers straight. And I'm going to touch it with my finger so that I remove a little bit of the adhesive so it won't be so hard to get off. The oils from your finger will make it not so sticky. That's why you don't really want to ever touch them when you want it to stick. I'm going to use soft suede because I don't really want my card to be stamped in black. I'm going to use just the outline of the Christmas rose. I always like to ink up big stamps like that. So what I'm going to do first is going to stamp, catching all 3 layers, really giving it a good push. I make sure I get all those images of inked up stamp onto my layers. Then we're going to do it again. And wait till I share with you all the other stuff I've done. You're going to love it. Now I'm going to be using a stamp set called Itty Bitty Birthdays. There's also one that's Itty Bitty Wishes. I just want a little sentiment stamp to go down here. And since it's my daughter's birthday, I think I'll use the birthday one. I always like to pick up my stamp with my block. Birthday wishes. Now I'm going to pull in my Stampin' blends. I'm not even going to use the images from the stamp set. I want to do some coloring. Bringing back in the ladder. Next, I'm going to take the darker of the Pineapple Punch, and we're going to color our berries. I think I got them all. There's a lot of berries. I'm going to bring back in my soft suede to stamp my pine cones. I could have colored them with another Stampin' Blend, but you know what? If we have the stamp, why not use it? I'm going to go ahead and color the leaves with the lighter of the Greeny Apple Green. So we've done all of our stamping, and now we're going to pull these apart. And I know that if you've never done this before, you may think, oh, how is that going to work? Her images are not all connected and all of that. There's like gaps around the edges. No worries, my friends. Huh, I just realized that's kind of cool looking to just see a mask. Oh well, okay. Back to what I was doing. So I have all my layers adhered to, I have all my Whisper White layers adhered to my Greeny Apple Green. Now, as I'm putting my dimensionals on, I want you to stay tuned because at the end of this video, I will show you what I'm offering in my November online class. And it is 8 gift card holders plus 20 additional PDFs using the Christmastime is Here suite. Oh my gosh. So now I'm going to lay these on top of each other. And look how pretty that turned out. The only thing we have to do now is to add a layer inside. Since this is for my daughter, I have lots of sweet things that a mom would say. So I'm going to use this whole area to write her a message. Okay, you ready to see my other cards? First, I'm going to show you the non-Christmas cards. So this one is just like that, the triple time stamping. On this one, I added dimensionals. On this one, I did not. On this one, I used itty bitty wishes. This one was itty bitty birthdays. And how about this? How about this for Mother's Day? Ah, there you go. Nice and sweet. Now, this DSP is actually from the Christmastime suite. But when you run out of that, I want you to think of other things that you can do with that stamp set and perhaps those dies. Let me show you my November online card class. This is my November online card class, and it is actually gift card holders. There are 8 of them. They're all different folds, different ways to insert a gift card. When you make a purchase on my website, which the link is in the description box below, for $50 or more before November 10th, I will send you pre-cut cardstock, ribbon, everything you need to complete these except for the stamping. When you purchase $50 or more before November 10th on my website, and that link is in the description box below, I will send you pre-cut card kits to create 8 gift card holders for the upcoming holidays. And plus, I will send you 20 tutorials to make cards using the Christmastime is Here suite. Super gorgeous papers, super fun stamp set, and as I showed you, you can use all year round. I will send you envelopes and a PDF instruction to make these cards. Plus, I will do a tips and tricks video for you to help you as you create your gift card holders. Happy stamping, y'all!